Jackson Hole Airport is the only airport in America set in a national park. It is set right in the middle of the Grand Teton National Park. It's a great little airport. As you can see, you don't have walkways. You get off on ramps, walk right out with that beautiful view. We flew in here to go to Yellowstone National Park. During the summer, it's about an hour's drive to Yellowstone, but in early spring we went, it was about 3.5 hours because the southern entrance to Yellowstone was closed because of the snow. And that is the Jackson Hole Airport. This is the Jackson Hole International Airport. Not sure if it's international or not, but it's a very nice layout. Has 4 gates. Fireplaces. It says it has 10 gates, but I don't see 10 gates out there. What you do have is this view. Look at that. Has to be the prettiest airport I've ever been to. And of course, it's always sad to go home. When you walk out and see these views, it makes it a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. We'll see where the road takes us.